Last year, Sony launched its Xperia 5i in September, and we're slowly reaching the one-year point mark, which suggests we should be looking forward to the Xperia 5V launch. Luckily for us, Reddit user Jabapunik shared an official-looking promo video for the next-gen Xperia 5 phone. The video shows the Xperia 5V's refreshed design, which features a dual camera setup on the back. This likely means that the Xperia 5V will boast a wide and ultra-wide camera setup and will skip out on the telephoto module, which was present on all four of its predecessors. The front of the device looks nearly identical to that on the Xperia 1 IV, and we also get confirmation that the upcoming device will retain the 3.5mm headphone jack. The device will be available in at least 3 colors, which are shown towards the end of the video: black, white, and blue. The only known specs for the Xperia 5V thus far are that it will be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and up to 16GB of RAM, thanks to a Geekbench listing. We also got confirmation the device will support 33 fast charging.